Welcome to Mac and PC Prime Video. Today we're going to be showing you how to create a Windows 11 bootable USB drive using the official method. So without further ado, let's get started. Go to the official website of Microsoft. Link to this particular page will be in the video description. Once you're here, go to the Create Windows 11 Installation Media section and click on the Download Now button, underneath which you'll download the Windows Media Creation tool. Now go to the download location and click on the tool, which will ask you for your permission to rent. So click Yes. Which will launch the Windows 11 setup window. You'll be presented with the Microsoft Terms and Conditions. Just click the Accept button to continue, which will bring you to the next step where you can choose your preferred language and edition of your Windows 11. As you can see, by default it is selectable, so uncheck this option called Use the recommended option for this PC, which allows you to choose your preferred choices manually. So go ahead and choose your preferred language for Windows 11 and for the edition. There isn't much you can do here. Don't worry, the basic Windows 11 ISO contains all the editions you will ever need, and it can be selected during the installation or when you enter a particular license key assigned to the specific edition of Windows 11. Now plug in your 8GB USB flash drive to the computer and hit Next, which will ask you to choose a media to proceed further. So choose the option USB flash drive from here and hit Next. Now choose the flash drive that we just plugged in. Make sure that it is the correct one to avoid any accident of data loss. And if you want, you can make a backup of anything important in that flash drive, because once we hit the next button, Windows will wipe out everything in red. I hope you understand. Now hit the next button for one last time and it will start downloading the Windows 11, always straight from Microsoft. It may take a while if you have a slow internet connection, or it can be done within a minute. Be patient and let it finish the download. Once the downloading is finished, it will start verifying the downloaded files, and finally will start transferring the data to your USB flash drive, ultimately making it into a Windows 11 bootable USB flash drive. So let's speed for a bit more, and it has completed the process. Now you can click the Finish button and safely take your drive. And there you go. You have just created a Windows 11 bootable USB flash drive, which can be plugged into any separate PC or laptop and perform the Windows 11 installation as you please. If you need a step-by-step explanation on how to install Windows 11 on a laptop, please let me know in the comments and I will provide a video for you. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like if you do share with your friends. If you find the video helpful, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to find more useful content like this. See you soon with another one.